To fix an unexpected error is keeping you from copying the file in Windows 11, first you need to shorten the file path. For that, let me open the document folder. If I'll open this folder, the project folder, here you can see I have to go through with a long folder path to get my document. So I need to shorten the path. For that, simply copy the file, then go back to the document and paste in here. After this, try to copy the file to the different drive. Hopefully this will fix your issue and you will not get the error message. If you're still getting the error message, then click in search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator, click on Yes. Here you need to type check disk command. So simply type chkdsk, check disk, then give a space, type the drive letter like I have C drive, then give a space, type /F, then give a space /R and press enter. Here you need to type Y to run this scan, and after pressing Y, simply click on start and restart your PC. Then wait for the scan to finish and try copying the file again. Hopefully this will fix your issue. If you still need help, leave your comment below or contact us on our Instagram or Facebook page.